day! Last day, Lods! Good morning! Tirahin na natin ito, Lods. Yung last day, tirahin na natin. Good morning sa inyo. Morning guys, last day natin today. Very exciting. Medyo sad kasi siyempre for almost 8 years ito yung ginagawa mo, dairy farming. And now our era come to an end. Trabaho natin yun is nag-injection tayo ng vaccine. Very easy job para sa last day. So enjoy natin yung araw natin today dito sa farm. Last day. Guys, samahan nyo ulit ako. Samahan nyo ako sa ating huling araw dito sa farm. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Malamig yun guys. Ang temperature at the moment is 5. Lamig. Breakfast muna tayo guys. Last breakfast. Lahat na gagawin natin today is last. Hoy! Bakit ang gulo ng bahay? Good morning, Pam! Ay! Morning, Pam! Energy! May kamera. Good morning, Pam! Last breakfast. Galing sa farm. Last na to. Pati yung peanut butter natin guys. Last spread na. Last spread lang din. My pretty. Hi pretty. Wow. How are you? Go say good morning. Good morning vlog.
Good morning, vlog.
So guys, kakatapos na natin mag-breakfast and umpisa na natin ang mga last jobs dito sa my farm. Gamitin nyo ako guys, kahit ano pang iutos nyo sa akin, walang problema. Kayanin ko yan kasi last day ko today. So job natin today guys is maglulod tayo ng straw. Pipid out tayo ng straw. So hindi siya silage kundi straw. I-feed out natin yan sa mga baka na ida-dry off bukas. Hindi na yan sila bibigyan ng damo para hindi na sila mag-produce ng gatas. Mamimiss ka talaga itong mga ganito na mga job. Enjoy lang natin yung araw today. Bye cows! Hanggang sa muli! Bye! Karga na naman tayo ng silage. Kakarga natin yung silage dito sa wagon. Pipid out natin yan mamayang hapon. Pero para ready tayo mamaya, load up na natin habang medyo wala man ang ginagawa ngayong umaga. So, mas mabuti na ikarga na lang natin para mamaya diretso na yung feed out natin. ganito talaga siguro, no? Basta last day mo, hindi ka napapagod. Sana all. So bigyan lang natin tong sick mob ng silage din nila. As in guys, hindi ako nakaka-feel ng pagod. My goodness. Saludo talaga ako sa mga kapwa natin na mga legendary. Yung trabaho natin guys, hindi talaga biro. Dumating talaga yung araw na wala na. Tapos na yung ating kumbaga retired na tayo. Pahinga muna tayo sa dairy. And then try tayo ng ibang ventures, ibang field. Kaya abangan nyo guys, maraming exciting videos ang ating gagawin doon sa ating pupuntahan. Ingat kayo mga lodi ha. Ingat kayo dito sa my farm.
Vlog na hindi naman na-upload.
Hoy, na-upload na. Marami na akong ina-upload, hindi ka lang nanonood. Anyway Lods, thank you sa lahat ng mga memories na ating nagawa dito sa farm. Maraming salamat sa mga learnings.
Kaya mo tutuloy natin sa Australia.
Oo. Maraming salamat Dan. Oh, chill ka lang dito Dan ha. Kunin mo yung posisyon ng manager ha. Shoutout nga pala kay Vince. Day off niya ngayon. Friday yung last day namin na magkasama sa work. Kaya Vince, shoutout sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat din ng mga learnings, mga tinuro mo sa akin. Mamimiss ko kayo. Dan, salamat Dan ha. Nilinisan mo yung bike ko. Mamimiss ko tong bike ko. Never niya ako nilet down. Pinol down, yes. Maraming beses. Thank you for the 14,288 kilometers together. Siguro pagka dinugtong siguro to nakauwi na siguro ako sa Pinas no.
Hindi.
14,000 kilometers?
Wala.
Siguro nakabalik pa.
Hindi.
Compute mo. Thank you for the memories. I'm going to miss you buddy. That's it for this morning. Half day to go. Lunchtime tayo guys. Isang push na lang. Tandaan ko yun is parang wala lang. Normal day. Pero pag naisip ko na last day ko na, may kunting sad, then happy. Well, nagpa-flashback ang mga memories. But anyway, lunchtime muna tayo guys. Back to work and then kasama pala natin ang ating sister and then si Khalil.
Hi.
Kasama sila sa atin para mag-feed out. So, pakita natin kay Khalil, kay Litsi, kung paano tayo magpakain ng baka. Excited?
Yes.
So you will be sharing a seat with your mom, ha? This one. We will put this one in the back of the tractor. Si Litsi at saka si Khalil ang last natin na trainee dito sa may Jomar Farm. Siya yung last natin na guest.
Yes.
Hi to all Khalil's friend.
Anton, Shabbat, Raven, Rupert, Aisha, Rob. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Shout out sa inyong lahat siya. Feeding out cows here. We'll see, they are following us.
That's a lot of cows.
They are all penguin. Drive, okay Khalil, go. You turn to the right, ha? Turn to the right. Okay, right, go. Go, turn. Turn. Sige, turn pa. Turn pa. More. More. Okay, that's it. Hold.
Hold it.
Okay, go straight. Straight.
Oh, release it. Sige,
Release,
sige.
go left.
Go for your left, left, left,
Left. Sige, left.
Okay.
Sige, left. Straight.
Left,
There,
left,
straight.
left. Left, okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Go, straight, straight. Right. There you go. That's it, Lil.
Hey.
See?
Left, 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 left. Okay, up. Right, right. Left, left. You have to straighten it. Yeah. Right,
That's
right.
it.
Right, sige pa, right pa. Right pa. Oo, right.
Right, go right. Okay, go, right. Here.
Right, ay. Sige, full.
Okay, turn.
Yan.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining me in my last day. See you later. Lel. That's it, guys. Last nating ride dito sa Tractor. Thank you, Tractor, for all the memories. So thank God na safe tayo. Safe tayo nag-graduate dito sa Dairy Farm. Hi, vlog. Super pretty ng baby at super gwapo ng daddy. Sweet. Thank you. Yung Jomar Farm is nag-invite ng dinner in town. So bilang pasalamat, magpapa-dinner daw si Boss James and Hannah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jomar Farm. Look at that. It's so nice. Hi everyone. Hi. Amen. So kasama natin ngayon dito sa may table si Ising, si Dan, si Vince, si Rowena, si Hi.
Ayan na naman si vlog na naman. Ayan na naman si vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Ipapalo ko nga si
Food is served. Enjoy, guys. Ready? Pagkatapos nila, order ka na ulit.
Pwede?
Thank you. See you. Thank you. Kain. Kain kahit busog. Searching. Done? So done?
Hold, may vitamak ka. Vitamak ka.
I'm so very nakikita doon. We had a great 5 years. It's like Jomar is not our... Jomar is not our workplace, it's our home. So thank you.
Hindi siya mag-kita yung boss.
Really cool boss. Paul is always very happy to come home. So yeah, thank you. Thanks to all of you guys.
You guys are going to be truly missed. Jomo's definitely going to miss you and your family. It's been awesome having you guys. And wish you all the best in Aussie.
Thank you.
And you're welcome back anytime.
Thank you.
Very
We
good.
will keep that in mind. Thanks, Amy.
Every time we see each other, it's just like good vibes.
Yeah. Thank you, boss.
Thank you, Jace. Salamat, Lods, ha. Sa lahat ng memories. Batang pagsasama.
Johnny.
Thank you. Nakakaiya, guys. Umiyak tayo, guys. Nakakaiya, pero lahat yung mga sinabi ko is galing yung sa puso. Kale, thank you. Thank you for a solid 5 years.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See you around.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Good working with you, boss.
Yeah, you're right. Even though we're not really working together, so a
Always
few
good
times.
times,
Yeah.
man. Always good
Yeah, if Jason is around, it will be a good time. Thank you.
Adios, amigos.
Adios, amigo. I would like to say thank you to Hamish and Phil. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the learnings. And yeah, thank you for being good to us.
Thank you.
Thank
Paul.
you. Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you
Paul.
very much.
We missed.
See you.
See you, mate.
Signing off. Thank you. Sorry guys, naging emotional tayo sa last moment natin doon sa shed for almost 8 years. Ito yung ginagawa natin. Mamiss ko yung place. Marami kaming na-achieve dito sa lugar na to. Marami kaming milestone na nangyari sa aming pamilya. Wala na akong masabi guys. Anyway, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo kasi syempre sinuportahan nyo ako dahil sa ganitong profession. And yeah, siguro ito na nga yung last na dairy farming vlog na ma-upload ko sa channel. And thank you very much for everything. And hopefully marami akong na-inspire sa ganitong field. Sana ay meron din kayong natutunan sa akin. So hanggang sa muli, for the last time, thank you for watching my dairy farming vlog. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next adventure.